guys, what is up? We are with the Untamed Stang again. The last time we saw it, it was at Sean's getting primed, but now it's back and we're going to be throwing the engine in for the final time. We're going to be testing and kind of trying to fit it in as if it's painted, which means if it hits something, we need to pull it out and figure out how to place it in perfectly without nicking anything so that when it does finally go in when the car is painted, we don't mess up. So first obstacle's out of the way, the starter fits.
Starter will fit with the header on, which is a plus.
Which is in the right direction.
Yes.